Yeah, now I'm back. I'm back looking at the Nauticat. And now the new Teak deck is on the boat, and let's have a look. So the boat is not finished yet, but all the teak is on the boat. I call it teak. It's not teak, it's artificial teak, Ecodeck. And it looks like teak, it feels like teak. And I've got a small detail here in the front. And since this is a Nauticat, we got the logo from the Nauticat in the teak here. And I'm quite happy when I see it now. It looks very good. It's a small detail that lifts the impression. We also have these hatches new. They are not fixed yet, but this will be mounted on. The old ones were over 40 years, so it was on time putting some new ones on. And yeah, you can see all these teak here. The aft deck, well, lots of equipment here still, but it's starting to look very good.